The longer I ride, the more I realize Bert wasn't just referring to breaking land speed records. He was referring to a journey only two wheels can take you on. A type of fulfillment a single destination can't provide. A cross-country motorcycle trip can bring us back to reality. Because just like life, if you focus too hard on the destination, you might just forget to enjoy the ride. A 100 years later, I'm in a way doing the same thing. Some ways things don't change.